Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 483 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another new product from NYX that I picked up when I was at the NYX store recently at my mall. This is the NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. And I'm really excited to try this out because this just sounds like a gorgeous lip gloss. But as a little spoiler, I have two more NYX products that I picked up when I was at the store that I'm going to be trying out in my upcoming videos. I love the brand NYX. It's pretty affordable, cruelty-free, and usually pretty good quality products. So when I finally get to go into the NYX store when I'm at the mall, I feel like I never really go to the mall these days, but whenever I'm there, I make sure to stop in the NYX store and stock up on a bunch of new products. And I found a lot of exciting products. The Bear With Me kind of tinted moisturizer I've been really liking. And then yesterday I tried out the Filler Instinct kind of plumping lip gloss and I got compliments when I wore it, so I'm really happy about that as well. So hopefully I'll like this product just as much as I've liked those other two new products. But if you want to see my review on those, I will link those videos down below. But so this Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color comes in 12 different shades. I picked it up in the shade Cream B, and this retails for $6.50. So let's see how this applicator looks. Okay, it's the rounded tip kind of doe foot spatula applicator. And this claimed to have a nice candy scent. And it does. It doesn't have the sugary, sweet candy scent that I was expecting. It has more of like a sour, fruity scent to it. So in my opinion, it's okay. It's not like my favorite scent I've ever smelled on a lip product. But now let's see how this color looks. Yeah, I really like this color. I think this was a good choice. And that is a lot of pigment. I kind of thought that this would be more of like a sheer gloss type of color, but no, this looks like full pigment. So I'm excited to see how this looks on my lips. And it has nice shine, no sparkle to it. This applicator is really easy to work with. I really like this applicator. So this just goes on like a lip gloss. It feels like a lip gloss on my lips. And I remember when I tried this out at the store, I noticed kind of like a cooling feeling on my lips, and I'm still getting it right now when I'm trying this one. So it does kind of have almost like a plumping feeling to it, where it kind of feels like it goes on cold, and now my lips kind of have a slightly like numbing, tingling feeling. But oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this color. It really does have like good pigment to it. It's not fully opaque. I did apply quite a bit of product. I feel like it's still not full opaque color, but that's okay. I don't think that this type of product needs full color because of that shine glossiness to it. It definitely feels pretty moisturizing on my dry lips. So I do feel like this is a really good, easy product to wear, especially this color. I feel like this is a very wearable kind of nude shade that can work for day to night with any type of makeup look. And because of that glossiness, I do feel like it's enhancing to the lips and very comfortable. It basically achieves the look of a nude liquid lipstick with a gloss on top in one product. But I do like that this product comes in some more bold, bright colors like a turquoise and a purple and a red. Even I think I saw an orange. So if you didn't want just like an easy nude color, there are some really fun options. But I like this formula. I like how my lips are looking. And this is definitely going to be a product that I just reach for without having to think about what makeup look I need to do to go along with it. So I'm really happy that I have this in my collection now. Of course, if you've tried this, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it and what colors you've tried out that you've liked. And so this is another product that I'm really liking that's new from NYX. We'll see if I end up liking all of the products that I got, but I feel like I'm on a roll so far. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.